He's just so lazy and he doesn't want to do anything. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. Today I have a haul from two different places, Tokidoki and Pusheen. I thought they were both cute, so I combined them. Also, this is just gonna be a chill haul. I'm not gonna try anything on because I got the COVID shot yesterday and I'm kind of tired and my arm hurts and I just wanna get something quick and easy out to you. First, let's talk about Pusheen. I guess this part is technically sponsored. I was very excited. They actually asked me to be in their ambassador program, so I got sent these items for free. So first off is this pair of leggings. I got them in a size large and they do fit me, and they're just black leggings with little like gray polka dots and gray Pusheens every here and there. Oof. I can't hold it up with that arm. So here they are. With this arm, they feel cottony. Are they cottony? Yeah, 95% cotton. So, nice stretch cotton. I apologize for all the dog hair on it, but I have dogs and they're just the sheddiest dogs ever in the world. Next up, I got this necklace, but I believe this is the blossom necklace. So we have this gold necklace and there is Pusheen on the front with a couple of probably roses and some like leafies. It's cute. Look. Would go really nicely with like, you know, if you want to be kawaii but fancy, a good option. And finally they sent me this purse, which is so cute. It is this fuzzy Pusheen purse. Little round Pusheen. Has these little like ears that are like three-dimensional sticking out, and the Pusheen face embroidered on the front. Has these adjustable pink straps here that you can also remove. The zipper is also really cute. It's this little pink zipper and it has the like mint Pusheen logo tag part on it. Once you unzip it, the inside of it is that same like minty color in this like satin. It's cute. I'm really excited to be a Pusheen ambassador because I've already done hauls on them. I already love their stuff. So we're gonna move on to Tokidoki. I bought a bunch of unicornos. I didn't unbox them for you because I don't know how much you guys care about me unboxing them, but this is from series 9, I want to say. These two are from series 9. There's something in her head and I don't know what it is, but she's like all clear. She has little like icicles dropping down from her. And then this one is a little like squirrel one, has an acorn. His hair is fuzzy. I've been trying to get the Kuromi one from their Sanrio collab, but I have not yet. But I did get this one, the My Melody one. We got Batsmaru, which is actually my brother's favorite Sanrio character. And then, actually pretty exciting, we got the Chaser, who is the Hello Kitty one. But I still have to order more because I still want, I think they have a Gudetama one and I still really want the Kuromi one, so. Speaking of Gudetama though, I also bought these shirts. I couldn't decide which one I wanted more, so I got them both. Here's one where it's a yellow shirt and there's Gudetama on it and he's dressed like a unicorno and he just says, okay, now what? Just fits my mood, you know? The other one that I bought is a pink t-shirt and it's a little kawaii Gudetama. He's got all sorts of like decora, so many accessories, and a little rainbow in the background. Look at it. Oh, and they both have the Tokidoki X Gudetama on the back. But anyway, that's all for this super quick haul. My husband is on the couch, like, taking a nap, covered in blankets, dying. And I feel okay. My arm hurts, I'm a little tired, but other than that, I'm fine. So stay safe out there, get your shot when you can, and let's get out of this thing, man. Let's all beat this thing together, you know? That's all though. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.